In this video I'm going to show you how to write special characters and symbols with the text command, like the ones you see here. Open the character map. You can find it under Windows Accessories. Choose the symbol you want to write. Select it and copy it. Go back and activate the text command. Just paste the symbol into the text. You don't even need to open the character map. Just remember this number. Let's say you want to write the diameter symbol. Then remember, 0216. Activate again the text command and then press and hold the Alt key and type 0216. You have to use the number keys on the numeric pad on the right side of your keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss my next tips and tricks video, then please subscribe to my channel.